Today I'll be showing you 3 easy to follow crafting projects anyone can make. And all you need is what you already have at home. A ruler, a pencil, some scotch tape, maybe scissors. This is ideal for the whole family and totally safe for kids. First up is a simple distance gauge. Just grab a strip of cardboard, a marker and a ruler and you'll never have to count squares again. Just measure out your grid size and label appropriately. Next thing you know, you have a handy dandy tool to figure out how far you can run or if you can spell reach a target. They're so easy to make that you can give one to each of your players. Now let's make a battle map. Okay, you might have to pick up a sheet of crafting foam, but they're so easy to get it's barely worth mentioning. Like before, measure out your grid size and then score the foam with a blunt object. I have a dull screwdriver, but you can use the back of a spoon or an empty ballpoint pen. It's totally up to you. You could also use a pencil and just end up with gray lines across the grid. Score it in both directions and you end up with something like this that you can place your minis and your terrain on. This last one is a bit different, but my personal favorite. An easy to use initiative tracker. Now take some clothespins, put sticky tape that you can write on one end of it. Then cut out some character portraits, use your glue of choice and put it on the other side of the pin. If you wanted to match your minis, just use the backing of the packaging. If you don't have any handy, you can follow the link in the description to get a selection of tokens for every D&D class and more. Now you can keep track of who goes when and always know their names. Easily whip out a battle mat for unexpected encounters and always know who is in range of magic missile. If you like this video, make sure to share with another player or DM who likes to make things, and check out the token set down below. Thank you for watching. Now cast some thaumaturgy by hitting that like button.